We're just about holding on to the brink of that 9100 mark yet again, although we're firmly in the green with a lot of support coming in from every quarter, particularly the banking sector, which is doing well, as are autos. But let's focus in then on what's going on with the commodity space as well, and we have Prathamesh Mallya joining in with some strategies. And let's talk a little bit about crude. Give us a sense as to what your outlook is in terms of a strategy.
In case of crude, inventories remain very high. US production is also rising, and hence any effort by the OPEC nations for the compliance and on output cut will go in vain. Advising a sell side strategy in crude. April contract at around 3,150 mark, keeping a stop loss of 3210 for target lower towards 3050 followed by 3030.
Okay, Prathamesh, talk to us about gold then, and how do you see gold actually shape up in trade going forward?
Commodities pack as a whole has been very volatile in the past few trading sessions. The top 4 picks that we are recommending for today would be buy side in gold as well as silver, and we are advising two sell side strategies, one in crude and one in copper. We are advising buy side gold April contract at around 28,750 mark, keeping a stop loss of 28,600 for target higher towards 29,100.
And finally, Prathamesh, let's talk a little bit about silver. What does one do here?
In silver also we are recommending a buy at around 42,000 mark, keeping a stop loss of 41,600 for target higher towards 42,600. The reason for recommendation of buy is purely on account of uncertainty with regards to US and Trump's healthcare policies. There is also a doubt with regards to spending and tax cut that he has promised, and hence the uncertainty will lead investors for safe haven, and hence gold and silver both remains on the buy side.
And Prathamesh, finally, copper does not seem to be having the best of days. In fact, it's trading at, I think, a 2-week low in the global markets. What's your view?
In case of copper also, since the Escondida labor strike, which seems to be happening for last 45 days, seems to be on the brink of resolution, and hence the copper mines will restart, which will bring in ample supplies of copper in the coming months, and hence we are advising a sell side strategy in copper at around 379 380 mark, keeping a stop loss of 384 for target lower towards 373.
Okay, let you go on that note, Prathamesh. Thanks for sharing with us those top commodity calls. And with that, we call it a day right here on Buy Now, Sell Now. Hope we were able to help you out with your queries. Coming up next, we've got Market Sense.